Z25 operation steps. Turn on the main power switch of the machine. Fasten the seat belt. Turn the key to the on position. When the instrument panel lights up, you can start the engine. Before operating, sound the horn. Attachment pipeline action dial. Reserve the button. Reserve the button. Throttle pedal. Brake pedal. Turn on the warning lights. Turn on the boom headlights. Simultaneously turn on the roof light, warning light, and rear light. Pull back the operating lever to lift the boom. Push the operating lever forward to lower the boom. Move the operating lever to the right to tilt the bucket down. Move the operating lever to the left to tilt the bucket up. Adjust the steering wheel angle. Quick bucket switching. Toggle the handle roller to lock the attachment pin. Quick change and attachment switch valve. After switching the attachment, be sure to switch the valve to prevent the attachment from falling off due to misoperation. Release the pipeline pressure before assembling attachments with attachment pipelines. Low charge connector. Fast charge connector. Insert into a single-phase AC 220V power outlet. Insert into the fast charge socket. Turn on the main power switch of the fast charger. Turn on the fast charger start switch. Instrument panel charging status. Before and after construction, apply grease to the grease points marked in the manual. Insert into the external discharge socket. Turn on the main power switch of the machine. Turn on the inverter power switch. Turn the key to the on position to power the machine. After completing the above steps, 220V AC power can be obtained. The steering wheel controls the direction of vehicle movement. Do not make sudden turns while driving at high speed. Be cautious to prevent tipping over when turning with a fully loaded bucket. Thanks for your watching.